First, visualize yourself in a pure realm, wonderful and pleasing. The ground is flat and smooth and full of precious treasures. Right in front of you, there is a big wish-fulfilling tree with 5 spreading branches. The branches have luxuriant foliage, blooming flowers, and plentiful fruits, filling the entire sky. Many types of precious gems, delightful bells, and exotic ornaments decorate the twigs beautifully. Next, visualize on the central branch your glorious root guru, the embodiment of the Buddhas of the 3 times, and the incomparable treasure of compassion in the form of the great vajra of Adhyana, Padmasambhava. His complexion is white, tinged with red. He has 1 face, 2 arms, and 2 legs in the royal posture. He is seated on a jeweled throne upheld by 8 great lions, with a lotus, sun, and moon cushion. With a threatening gesture, he holds a 5-pronged golden vajra in his right hand. His left hand holds a skull cup, containing a vase filled with the nectar of longevity and wisdom. A shoot of the wish-fulfilling tree adorns the top of the vase. He wears a silk cloak, monastic robes, a gown of a mantra practitioner, and the lotus hat. Cradled in his left arm, he holds a 3-pointed staff khatvanga. Next, visualize the lineage guru sitting above Padmasambhava. Here we will visualize the foremost lineage gurus of the Longchen Nyingthik lineage of Dzogchen, the great perfection. Samantabhadra, the Dharmakaya. Vajrasattva, the Sambhogakaya. Dorji, the Nirmanakaya. Master Manjusrimatra. Guru Sri Simha. The learned Jnanasatra. The great Pandita Vimalamitra. Padmasambhava of Adhyana. Dharma King Trisong Datsan. The great translator Varotsana. Takini Yishsojil. The omniscient Longchen Rabjapa. Riggs and Jigme Lingpa. Jigme Gyalwai Nyugul. Patrul Rinpoche. Thubga Rinpoche. And Jigme Funsik Rinpoche. They all wear their respective accessories and attributes, and are surrounded by numerous Yidam deities of the four tantras, takinis, and dakas. Next, visualize on the front branch Buddha Sakyamuni surrounded by 1,000 Buddhas of this good kalpa, plus all other Buddhas of the 3 times and 10 directions. They all appear in the form of pure Nirmanakaya, wearing monastic robes. They bear the 32 major marks and 80 minor signs, with crown protuberance and wheels-marked soles. They sit in a 2-leg vajra posture and have body colors of white, yellow, red, green, and blue that radiate unimaginable light rays. On the right branch, visualize the 8 bodhisattvas led by the 3 guardians, Manjushri, Avalokitesvara, and Vajrapani. They have white, yellow, red, green, and blue body colors. Wearing the 13 ornaments of the Sambhogakaya, they stand with both feet together. On the left branch, visualize the noble Sangha of Shravakas and Patyakabuddhas headed by Sariputra and Maud Galiana. They are white and garbed in 3 monastic robes. Standing on their feet, they hold staffs and alms bowls. On the rear branch, visualize the Dharma jewel of layers of scriptures. On the top center of the golden case are the 6-point vermilion tantras of Dzogchen. They shine brightly and resound the vowels and consonants spontaneously. In the gaps of these branches are many wisdom protectors and action cause protectors. They all have boundless wisdom, compassion, and the power to look after everyone. Visualize them as great teachers who guide all living beings. Next, visualize your father in this life on your right side and your mother on your left. In front of you are all sentient beings in the 3 realms, with your enemies in the front row. Everyone gathers together, facing the refuge tree with folded palms and paying homage. With the body, perform prostrations respectfully. With the speech, recite refuge prayers respectfully. With the mind, think the following thoughts respectfully. From now on, whatever happens to me, whether it's up or down, pleasant or painful, whether it's illness or suffering, I have no other refuge but you, O my kindest Guru and the 3 jewels. You are my only Lord, Protector, Alliance, and my only hope. From now on until I attain enlightenment, I entrust myself to you wholeheartedly. I shall not decide things alone, but entirely rely on you, my Guru, and the 3 jewels. I make offerings to you and dedicate everything to you. I shall practice the Dharma diligently. I have no other refuge, no other hope but you. With a sincere heart, recite the following refuge prayer most earnestly.
Gomcho sumgu desha zawa sum, zalung tuli rangjin shangchu sim. Ngo rangjin tuji kin kuru la, shangchu nyangbu warda jiao sim chu. Gomcho sumgu desha zawa sum, zalung tuli rangjin shangchu sim. Ngo rangjin tuji kin kuru la, shangchu nyangbu warda jiao sim chu. Gomcho sumgu desha zawa sum, zalung tuli rangjin shangchu sim. Ngo rangjin tuji kin kuru la, shangchu nyangbu warda jiao sim chu.
At the end of the recitation, visualize that, through your respect and devotion, immeasurable rays of light radiate out from the refuge deities, touching you and all sentient beings. Like a flock of startled birds, you all fly up swiftly and dissolve into the refuge deities. Then the deities gradually dissolve into light, starting from outer edges and inching inwards, finally reaching the embodiment of the 3 jewels, your Guru, at the center. All the lineage masters above the Guru's head merge into him. Then the Guru melts into light, and the light vanishes into space. Rest your mind in a state free from conceptual references for as long as possible. At the end of the meditation, dedicate all the merit to infinite beings and recite the following.
Gewa Deyi Mnyertab Da Kumcho Sumbo Dripkirni Joa Chikyang Mali Pa Deyi Sala Gut Per Sho